Hello all. So in today's video we are going to see some tricks to perform faster addition so that you can do faster calculations in the CAT examination. So let us begin. The first method that we are going to see today is the base method. So to use this method, you have to observe a pattern that all the given numbers in the particular example lie close to a certain number. That number is the base for us. So as you can see, all these numbers lie close to the number 20. So in this example, our base is 20. Next, what we have to do is, we have to multiply the base by the total number of numbers in that example. So as you can see, in this example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers. So we will multiply 20 by 5. Next we have to add the extra digits that are left. So as you can see, 23 is 3 more than 20. So we will take 3 from here. 27 is 7 more than 20. So we will take 7 from here. Similarly, 10, 5 and 6 from here. So in this way, we will add these extra digits to the sum. So 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25 and 25 plus 6 is equal to 31. So we will add 31 to it. Now the addition has become very simple. 20 into 5 is equals to 100 and 100 plus 31 is equals to 131. So the result of this addition is 131. In this way, using the base method, you can solve additions orally. We will solve one more example. So as you can observe, the base in this example is 80. So the total number of numbers in this example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will multiply 80 by 7 and now we will add the extra digits to it. As you can see, 82 is 2 more than 80. So we will take 2 from here, 8 from here. 92 is 12 more than 80. So 12 from here, 5 from here, 2 from here, 9 from here and 1 from here. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 12 is 22, 22 plus 5 is 27, 27 plus 2 is 29, 29 plus 9 is equals to 38 and 38 plus 1 is equals to 39. Now the addition has become very simple. 8 into 7 is 56. So we will write 56 and we will add the 0 of 80 over here plus 39. So 560 plus 39 is equals to 599. So the addition of these numbers is equals to 599. In this way, you can do all this addition orally and get the answer very quickly when all the numbers lie close to a particular base using the base method. The next we are going to see is the averaging method. So to use the averaging method, all numbers need to have a constant gap between them. This is also called as arithmetic progression. You will learn more about adding the numbers in AP in the AP-GP chapter. But for now, let us understand how to add these numbers using the averaging method. So as you can see, all these numbers have a difference of 1. So we can use the averaging method over here. To use the averaging method, you have to take the first plus last digit, that is 1 plus 7, and you have to divide it by 2 to get the average of numbers, and then you have to multiply it by the total number of numbers in this example. So as you can see, there are 7 numbers in this example, so we will multiply it by 7. Now 8 divided by 2 into 7 is equals to 4 into 7, which is equals to 28. So the addition of these numbers is equals to 28. So using the averaging method, you can get the sum very easily, where you take the sum of first and the last digit divided by 2 to get the average and then multiply it by the total number of numbers in this example. Let us see one more example. So as you can see, all these numbers have a difference of 6 in between them, and this difference is constant. So you can use the averaging method in this example. For the averaging method, let us take the sum of first and the last digit and divide it by 2 to get the average. So 18 plus 60 is equals to 78. Divide 78 by 2 and multiply it by the total number of numbers in this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers in this example. So we have to multiply 70 divided by 2 is 39. So we have to multiply 39 into 8. You can do this quickly by writing 39 as 40 minus 1 and the 8. So now you can do this very easily. So 40 into 8 is equals to 320 minus 8 as you open the brackets, and you get the answer to be 312. So you can do such additions very quickly using the averaging method, and you can get the answer within seconds without using the calculator. After the video, solve some more examples for practice so that both these methods are clear and you can use them in the examination. Thank you.